this is the machine right here. You only have a couple parts, so it is not hard at all. You're going to take this little guy and everything just kind of lines up. So you'll hear that click. It is locked into place. And then this is where you're going to put your actual fruits, vegetables, whatever it is you might be juicing. But again, you're just going to line everything up. And then to kind of lock everything into place, you shut the lid here and that locks it into place. That was a learning curve for me as well. You won't be able to take this off unless you open the lid, and then it just twists off and you take that piece off as well to lock it. So you're good to go here. You get this piece, which is going to help you kind of push your food in there. You get 2 of these cups. One is going to catch the juice. The other will catch the pulp. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting some apples in here and we'll get going. As you can tell, this juicer is not loud at all, which is fantastic. It just extracts the juice by gently crushing the fruits and the vegetables. And what do you get out of that? You get the maximum juice yield with minimal oxidation. So your juice just stays fresher, it's more flavorful, and it's packed with vitamins for longer. I've noticed such a richer taste and smoother texture in every glass compared to my old juicer. I also love how this is a self-feeding design. It just makes batch juicing easier. This model is fantastic. I just load the chute and the machine basically does the rest. I can multitask in the kitchen while it steadily pulls in and processes the produce. There's no more constant pushing or jamming. And like I mentioned earlier, cleanup is so easy. This is super easy to clean. It even comes with a cleaning brush to reach those tricky areas. So overall, I have just been so happy with this juicer. You're able to close the side where the juice comes out so you're not leaking the excess juice all over the counter. Look how delicious this juice looks. And this was 2 apples and a handful of strawberries. So again, cheers.